Hello everyone, how you guys doing?
Welcome back to our channel.
¿Cómo están? I hope everybody's doing great and fine. I hope everybody enjoying the weather. It's getting warmer. This video is gonna be nice. This is the first time we're doing a weekend video. So
Yeah. So follow us around. We're going to the Pocono.
fucking east. And Victoria is 6 months.
Oh my god.
Yeah, buddy. Baby coming through is on the low. Yeah, the sour. This is the second time we're gonna do a video in relation to Steph's birthday. So yeah,
Oh my god.
last time it was like a concert, no, a boxing fight that we went in. So follow us around. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. And see you soon, alligator. Parada técnica en Wendy's para que la baby se coma su sándwich. Come, baby, come, que tiene hambre. Ñau, ñau. Bueno, llegamos de noche, pero llegamos bien. Tú entra. Little kitchen here, right here. Vamos a dormir. Otro cuarto. Un bañito. Jacuzzi right here. Here's a game room. You know, some pool. Ahí está el driveway que está cerrado. Otro cuarto aquí. I guess nobody wanna sleep here. Segundo piso. Ralphie, where you gonna sleep? We got everybody here. Say hi. How you doing? Hey, happy birthday, Steph, right there. Where you gonna sleep, brother? Let me see your room, brother. Where you gonna clap cheeks tonight?
Where's the room?
What, right there. Let's go. Ralph va a tirar par de peo aquí.
This is my room, man.
Aquí. This is like, está bien ahí. Está a dormir cómodo el loco ahí. Coño, está bien ahí. Aquí va a dormir otra gente. Atrás. Es un cuarto ahí. It's another bathroom. At least we got the better bathroom downstairs. Está bien. Está bien. Baby, how you like the house so far?
It's huge.
Mañana le vamos a dar otro background porque está de noche. Vamos para allí. ¿Qué es lo que hay de aquel lado? Un jacuzzi afuera. Esa gente está enrulada y para allá.
Oh, that's the room?
What? Oh, no.
This is,
Este es el campamento de los niños. I don't know how to...
Oh, it's like when you go to camp.
Yeah, like when I was in middle school.
you like that there's a door?
Let me see.
Yeah?
Who's sleeping there? Oh, that's a nice room. This is nice.
What?
This is nice.
This is the one where the AC actually works.
Yeah. That's what...
This is the only
Hey,
one.
Mr. Víctor Machuca. Son mis panas full hoy. My friend right here too.
How we doing?
Good.
Oh.
You sleeping here?
No. I wanted to check out something.
Oh, you sleeping here? Oh, it's you. Okay. Alright. Okay.
Okay. Oh, it's low too. That's nice.
Yeah.
If it's a fire, you got the door right there.
I didn't lie down. I didn't take that into account. I just wanted to walk around.
I got
You
it.
need a cigarette? You go down there. Ahora va a ver el juego, que aportarme dinero aquí.
It takes a while.
Birthday girl, special. Always celebrating your birthday. This is my second video celebrating your birthday. Okay? Yeah. It's this is what you call it? What you call it?
Birthday shot, yeah.
Baby, how you call that? What you do every year? Like a tradition. This is a tradition. Cheers for you. Oh, you're my brother. You bought the Rolex that you told me that you were gonna get stuff. The Rolex.
The Rolex?
Oh, you forgot?
It's at the house.
Dang. All right. Okay. I wanna see that one. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Seth. Happy birthday to you. Okay. This is the what? The porch? The woods? This is a nice setup in here. What you cooking, bro? What you cooking?
We got some burgers, man. The grill master's over here.
Okay, all right, okay.
Something.
Yeah, we're cooking something.
Man.
No, that's good.
Yeah, it's hot. Ooh.
Damn, it's looking good.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
You're the grill master.
No.
I got it.
Buenos dias, mi gente. So, yesterday we got here, and after having some burgers, some cocktails, and singing happy birthday. That kind of rhyme, but we enjoy our time. And last night we went to sleep, and we waking up and enjoying the nature. I'm about to go to the supermarket to get all the things in the town, but we're probably gonna show you a little bit of the outside house, because as we got here last night we weren't able to show you, but we will. Enjoy. I'm waiting for Victoria so we can go and grab some things. Victoria's here. Just woke up. Slept 2 hours.
I actually slept 6.
You slept 6?
Yes.
Oh, so you're measuring your hours now?
Yeah.
All right, babe. There's like a bathtub in there, hot tub. This is like the deck that we were chilling last night when you saw Mr. Damon cooking the burgers. You have like an outside area here. It's kind of cooked up, but you know, you get the memo. We're definitely putting this bad boy to work for sure tonight. Ready, baby? Where we're going now?
To get some stuff. I left my wallet.
Go get it, baby. You're the money maker. You need your wallet. All right. So, what's the name of this town? Is Albertsville. Well, that's the closer one. Then it's Lake Harmony is around here. Bucklesky. ¿Cómo se llama?
Blakesley.
¿Cómo?
Blakesley.
Ajá.
It's an unincorporated community in Monroe County. It's located at the intersection of PA's Route 115 and 940.
Huh? Only retired people live here, or it's only Airbnb area?
I don't know.
This is a nice house in there. A super nice house. It's like pimped up and stuff. This is like a little older, but you can still can get the memo. That one is very nice. All right.
There's big houses here.
Yeah, this is a nice neighborhood. So what else, baby?
That's it. Not really much to it.
There's not much to it. Baby compró su cosita para el café. I got my milk on my bread. Take el jabón para bañarse, porque
Alright guys, don't mind the puffy eyes. We just finished coming from the super, so we bought some pasta for lunch that the honey's gonna make, right honey?
Yeah.
And then we got some bread, we got some soap, there was no soap, and we got some milk, right? And we got, what else?
Adobo. We got everything that we needed, and you said that you cannot survive in a town like this.
It's just very different. Like when you're in the city, you have everything so close, or you just be like, oh, I want to get this, I want to. But when you're in towns like these, that you really need to drive everywhere, and when you get there, it's like the supermarket was so cute, but it was so small. I was like, oh my god, what is this?
Well, you got everything that you need, though.
That's it. It's cute.
That's all that matters.
It's cute.
So, guys, we came to a beer store, and we found this non-alcoholic. She's pregnant and she loves beer. Oh my god. Everything non-alcoholic, guys. This is heaven for Victoria.
No, we carry a big thing.
Juan. We just named this deer Juan. Juan Ramon. And it's not my dad.
I was just gonna say, so you named him after your dad.
Cooking. Ok, ya cocinamos. Aquí tenemos el Ralphie. Metiendo los verdaderos bets. Baby, come on. Start eating. That's why the baby be moving like every 2 seconds. Because Victoria don't give food to the baby.
Don't be putting me out there.
And we got some eggs. We got some mashed potato. And we got mango. So let's get ready. Eat, baby. Let's go. In the name of the Father, the Spirit, and the Holy Spirit. Come on.
He like catches on to the
Amen.
social, like the cute.
This is just madness.
Hey, baby, how you doing? We got you 0 alcohol beer. We ate. Okay. You got the flow. What we about to do?
For a walk.
Little walk doesn't hurt nobody. Ya ustedes saben. Esperando el crowd. Taking long like always. And what is your beer, baby? The zero alcohol beer. Go get one for the trip. All right. Let's see, guys.
No, I was gonna say, let me know.
Bueno, señores, guess what? You seen the movie Get Out? We are close.
Without sports mode.
We almost there, Ralph. It's your turn. Part 2.
It's your turn. You go first.
This was all staff plan, bro. Trust me. She told me about it. Dale, dale.
And then you
Come on, guys. Let's go swimming first. We go to the other side.
What? Yeah, you could definitely get
Swim in there.
Is that a goose?
Ready?
Alright, let's go.
He has Crocs. He didn't put the sports version.
He got it.
It just took off. That's
Bro, I can say.
Damn, he's
I
smoking.
think they're breaking the speed limit.
Are they cute? Are they good? Why are they good?
He bumper her, watch out.
Delicious.
Like you.
Okay, so this is super box. We're here in the jacuzzi. Like always, you need the jacuzzi in the Poconos, you know? When it's cold, it's always good, the jacuzzi. If it was like 90 degrees, no jacuzzi, but it's about like 60 degrees. Jacuzzi on deck right now. There's a bunch of bugs in here. Ya tú sabes. Vamos a esperar que, let's wait for the others to get in to see if we can fit. Bueno, señores, la baby se entró ya. Blah, 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 blah. How you feeling right now, baby? You in a spot?
It's warm.
Yeah, it's warm. If it was like 90, I would have never come in. Well, actually, you can put it like cold in there, so.
You can put it hotter.
You can put it cold or hotter. You want to put it hotter? Es que después uno se tonta. You get dizzy. Oh, man. Too good to be alive, man. You think everybody fit here, baby?
No.
It was more than us last time we went in Airbnb.
But we didn't all get in.
Yeah, all the girls and all the guys got in. Remember? Good one. La mejor hora donde Ralph está Rulay. ¡Uy! ¡Hambre! Oye, thank you, Steph, for cooking. The birthday cake cooked for us tonight. Baby, it's good? Taste it, taste it. It was good, right? Her twin right there. My brother right here. Liz, dime, what's your beer? This one. No, ya se durmieron todo el mundo. Nada más falta, bueno, la preñita despierta después de 2 horas durmiendo. Ralphie despierto y el Víctor de la Victoria. Se acaban los chelitos, o traje a Ralphie para el primo de Dennis, Perkins. Víctor, dime, ¿la pasaste bien el weekend?
Claro.
Dígamelo, señorita Liz. ¿Todo bien? Está durmiendo todavía. Steph, happy birthday. How was your weekend? Good?
Great.
Baby, dímelo. Comiendo siempre.
Va a ser.
Baby, what you ordering?
I'm looking at this.